Hey guys, Jason here with ACS. This is a thermostat. Most of the time this is going to be mounted on your wall in your living room, your hallway, possibly even your bedroom. This is a Honeywell T6. There's all different types out there. Most thermostats have a mode that'll let you cycle through whether it's heat, cool, or auto. Then they have a fan button, auto, on. The on means that your fan is going to run all the time. It's going to be blowing air out your vents all the time, whether it's actually calling for AC or heat. Either way, it's always circulating air. Some people like that. It does help keep the dust down in your house, but it may raise your power bill a little bit and it could wear out your blower motor earlier. The auto only brings the fan on to blow through the vents whenever there's a call for heat or air. You're going to have a plus and a minus button most of the time, or an up and a down button. That is to change your temperature setting. The big number on there usually is the temperature that's in the house. If you're calling for cooling, you want to run your temperature down further than the actual temperature in the room. Heating, you want to run it up. Don't change it more than 1 or 2 degrees at a time. That would cause it to run a long time, could cause issues, right? Most of these digital thermostats that everybody's using these days, they have batteries in them. Sometimes you need the batteries, sometimes you don't. Most of the time those batteries are in there. Sometimes those batteries could go dead and it's going to give you a low battery symbol on the front. That could cause you some issues. If you're having issues, this would be another thing that I would check before you call the AC guy out. You can pull that off the wall. Some of them you pull off the wall, some of them you flap down a door, but usually 2 AA batteries in there. That's something that you can change. You're not going to get electrocuted. Put that back on there. If the thermostat is not your problem, scroll down. We got several other videos there that could find your problem for you and help you out before you have to call the AC guy out.